Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 S60. Downright shameless with the affection it shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.